Now, the aviation regulator's audit report on Go First is likely in the next 2 days, says the grounded airline's resolution professional. The National Company Law Tribunal was hearing the matter today. The resolution professional also informed the tribunal that creditors have agreed to release 415 crore rupees to restart operations if the DGCA waves the green flag. Ashmit joins us now with the details. Ashmit, any closer to a restart for Go First?
Well, today was the first hearing before the NCLT where the newly appointed IRP gave a status update on the Go First insolvency. And speaking of the status update, there are 4 key takeaways. Number one, the IRP confirmed that an application had been submitted before the DGCA for resumption of operations. And to that end, the IRP revealed that the DGCA constituted a select committee, a special committee of experts, which has reviewed and inspected the various aircraft at various airports and is likely to submit its report in 2 days' time. What's interesting is that the RP said so in as many words that the RP is hopeful that the DGCA nod will come with that report in 2 days' time. That's the first key takeaway. The second key takeaway is, and this is speaking of resumption of operations, there have been conversations ongoing between the airline, the RP, as well as the COC, and to that end, the COC has agreed to release an amount of 415 crore rupees to finance Go First's resumption of operations drive. So that's something to bear in mind. The number 3 takeaway here is the RP clarified that as far as the arbitration proceedings are concerned, a fresh order has been secured, a fresh favourable order has been secured from the arbitral tribunal, whereby a direction has been issued to Pratt & Whitney to issue 5 additional engines to the airline. The execution, of course, there's a big question mark there, the enforcement of that arbitration award. And finally, the 4th key takeaway is the RP seems to have taken objection to yesterday's Delhi High Court order, which allowed lessors access to the planes for inspection and for maintenance, hinting that the RP is likely to issue a challenge. So 4 key takeaways. All eyes, however, will be on the DGCA report in 2 days' time and whether or not the DGCA agrees to allow for resumption of operations.
Yes, we will have to wait to see what the DGCA says and if Go First can restart operations. Ashwit, many thanks for joining us. Retail vehicles